Hello lifers, PJ here for another episode of Midlife Models. What we're going to be trying to do today is to demonstrate how to repair some of the metalwork on a model that you may get from eBay, or a bring and buy sale, something like that, where the model itself hasn't been that well looked after, or is just, it's been played with that many times, it's received a bit of damage. In this episode I'm going to be using a model crane. It's a Matchbox series number 30, made by Lesney in the UK. This is a model I'm currently working on. I've got two of these. A colleague from work who has a 3D printer has been able to print me some replacement cranes. The chain and the hook, a representation of. This guy called Ian Fotheringham. Ian, thank you very much, mate. Much appreciated. So let's see what we can do with this twisted bodywork. So I have no affiliation with any of the suppliers I use, whether it be the tools, paints, materials, models, etc. So I've got my little work zone hobby vise mounted on my desk, and I've purchased what effectively is a blowtorch used on making meringues, I believe. So it's it suits me for this purpose, a little hobby blowtorch. And as you can see from the model, got a bit of a twisted bumper at the back compared to the other side. So what we're going to attempt to do is to gently heat this section and hopefully prise it back slowly till it falls in line with the other side. This could be an epic failure. I've watched other guys do this on YouTube. Shout out to Marty's Matchbox Makeovers, a guy based in Australia who's demonstrated this, and I wanted to have a go to see if I could replicate that and how useful a process it is. So cross your fingers, let's give it a go. What you don't want to do is to heat the metal so much it begins to melt, which is something I'm very conscious of. I've already got a bit of a blob there, it's going to have to be filed. But now I can get a pair of pliers in there now. Just apply a little pressure. Gently ease that out, and that will take a file back to the shape it should be. Really useful, these little needle files. A selection of these, and what appears have done the trick. I'm chuffed with that. In fact, it may have come back slightly too much. So somewhere in my little toolkit, there we go, the little hammer multi-kit tool. It's done the job. And take this out of the vise, and there we go. So, thanks for the advice, Marty. And maybe a little bit more gentle next time. We're a bit overzealous with the heat, but it's done the job. There we go. Excellent. Thanks for watching.